Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Systeme.io for profitable marketing automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.systeme.io. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started for Free button. Click on that button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and enter it in the password field. Make sure to agree to the terms of service by checking the appropriate box. After filling in the required fields, click the Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email from Systeme.io. Check your inbox for that email and look for the confirmation link. Once you find it, click on the link to verify your email address. After verification, return to the Systeme.io website. Log in using your newly created email and password. Now that you're logged in, explore the dashboard. Click on Pricing to view various subscription options. Review the plans available and their features. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Click on the Get Started or Select Plan button for your chosen option. You'll be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in the necessary details, such as credit card number and billing address. Double-check all the information for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click on the Complete Purchase button. You can start creating funnels, automating workflows, and enhancing your digital marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.